Hey guys, Katie Sauce here. Let's start that over again. Hey guys, Katie Games here, and welcome to another video. I'm in my bedroom recording on my laptop. JK, it's on my phone. I don't have a laptop. Okay, so I'm playing this random game called Alphabet. And it has like stuff, and I'm gonna do this flashcard thing. By the way, guys, sorry for the ads on the very bottom of this thing, but so I'm gonna be playing the flashcard thing first. I forgot what it's called.
Bull.
A bull.
Monkey.
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 Monkeys.
Monkey. Penguin.
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 Yes.
Bull.
And then the bull. This is great. I'm so
Fantastic.
excited. I like this game. It took me 1:48. Beauty. My video hasn't even been 1:48 long. It's probably because I paused it one time. But yeah, 1:40. Okay, so what's that? Oh, okay. Music. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try. Advertise. No, I can't. Advertising. No. It's like advertising. Ooh, painting. I love paint. Paint.
Octopus.
Let's an octopus. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be blue, because blue is an awesome color. It's gonna be all blue. It's gonna be some blue. Some blue. Okay, hear me? Do you hear me? You hear me? You're advertising. Advertising. At the bottom of my video. Blue. Pink with pink spots. A blue guy with pink spots. Beauty and pink tentacles. Yes. Beauty. Beauty and an octopus. I'm gonna call you Gorilla the Octopus. Gorilla the Octopus. Sorry. Gorilla. Come here, Gorilla. Gorilla, quit. Gorilla. Here you go, Gorilla. Let's make your eyeballs like white, and then they're gonna be like this color all around. And then like this. Then black. You're so adorable. Let's go this way. He's the best. He looks kind of creepy though. Kind of creepy. Ooh, look.
Egg.
It's a voice acting microphone. Well, it's actually an egg, but I'm gonna make it into a microphone. Beauty. Beauty. Okay. My microphone looks like this. My voice acting microphone looks like this. It's like red. And then it's like black on top. And it's like grids for the microphone. And then I have like my favorite color. That color. I chose my microphone myself. It doesn't really look like that bad. It's actually way better than that. It looks like that. All the way probably like down to here. And then, okay, go like that. Go like that. Beauty. Beauty. Delicious. And then, part is like, what color look at it. Okay, it's this color right here. Come on. It's like red and then green and then blue. It's amazing. I have a track and field day tomorrow. It's gonna be epic. Epoch, yeah. Okay, so that, beauty. It's done, my microphone's done. Microphones are epic. I'll hurt your ears right now. What do you want to do next? Eyeball.
Umbrella.
Let's do penguins. Penguins. Umbrella. It's black. It's black on it. Blackness. I like the stars. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, penguin umbrella. It's the best. I'm not giving it its original handle. I'm going to make it red. A balloon. That was perfect. Until then. That was epic. Did you see how good that was? Okay, let's go. Okay, come on. Don't freeze on me now. Moo. A jellyfish. What's this? X-ray. Jack-o'-lantern. A magnet. Oh yeah, more to come. Magnet. Okay, so I know the magnets have this thing where it's all like red, and then it's all like blue right there. Blue right there. Okay. And then it's red all throughout here. Beautiful, magical, love it all. We're gonna be like a unicorn. This is great. Look at that. Get all up in there. Beautiful. Let's keep doing it. Come on. Gotta make this happen, people. Make it happen. Lightning. Shine bright like your lightning. Shine bright like a lightning. Shine bright like a lightning. Probably giving you a headache. How about I end this episode here, guys? Okay, so that, guys, was Alphabet. I like how they got a cheese on their board. Cheese! Cheese! Rah. Sorry about that again. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.